Self-practice 4.9, question 3. Find the value of each of the following. Right, let's look at A. So A, we have log 10 9. So log 10 9 cannot be reduced to anything much. So we just put it in our calculator. Log 10 9. So we'll get in decimals lah. 0.954. B, log 10 99. So it's the same thing. Can't reduce it much. So log 10 99 is 1.996. C, log 10 5/6 cube also cannot be reduced. So you just type it in our calculator. Log 10 5/6 cube. So we get negative 0.238. And D, log 264. Okay, here we can reduce. So 64 is 2 to the power of 6. So log 264 can be written as log 2 to power 6. So 6, we can bring it down. This will become 6 log 2 2. And log 2 is just 1. So it's just 6. Okay, it's basically 6 times 1 lah. Right. Okay, let's look at E. Log 381 also can reduce. So 81 is 3 power 4 is 81. So we can write it like this. Then 4 you can bring it in front. This is one of the laws of log lah. So 4 log 3 log 3 is just 1. So I just write it as 4. F, log 4 256. Also same. 256 is 4 power something. Let's try 4 power 4. Yes. So I can say log 4 power 4. Then this 4 as usual bring in front. So 4 log 4 which is just 4. And lastly G, log 10 100,000. So 100,000 is 10 to the power of, right here, 10 to the power of how much? Okay, let's see. 10 power 5. 10 power 5 is 100,000. So 5 we bring in front. 5 log 10 10. Log 10 10 is just 1, so you get 5. That's it.